Hello guys, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can design Pinterest pin, and that is all also free without paying anything. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video. Let's get started now. So guys, what you have to do is you have to just go on to this website canva.com. If you have account, that is good. Otherwise, create an account, and once you create your account, just type Pinterest pin in the search bar and click on this option. Once you load on this screen, you will see this filter free and pro. Just click on free. You will be able to see these free templates that is in front of you. You can choose the templates as per your requirement, or you can create the template by yourself from scratch. So there are a lot of options as per like food blogger, for the food bloggers, for the beauty bloggers, for the tech bloggers. Hundreds of options are there. So I'm going to select the one option, as my blog is related to technology. So you can wishlist those particular templates by clicking on the heart icon. After clicking on the template, this is the screen that you will going to face in front of you. So just click on that particular. If you want to change the background, then click on that background box and change the color from the top left, and select the color whichever you want to use in the background. For example, I want to use aqua blue. I think this one is better. You can change according to your requirement or design guidelines. I want to change the text of color text of this particular font, so click on this box and change the color. My design guidelines consist of aqua blue and dark blue, so I'm going to follow these two. So I want to change the background into white, these two boxes. Now click on the text box and select the A icon and select the color. Now double click on that box and enter the value to change the text. Now all the text are in the capital case. I want to change into the sentence case, so just click on this three dot icon and click on this particular icon to change the title case into sentence case. Now I want to change the color of this particular box. Just click on it and select the color. I want to change the font color of this 25. I think this looks pretty good as per my design guidelines. So I think I haven't spent much time on this design guidelines to be followed, because the template is ready and looks good to me, and it is saving a lot of time. I don't want these dot icons on my, because I want the plain and simple design. You can increase and decrease the length of the background as well. Let me try another version. I think black looks great rather than white. You can highlight a particular text as well within the section. For example, I want to highlight the journalist only. This looks fine. Once you click on this graphics element, you can even change the element graphics colors as well. You can even change this particular graphics element by clicking on elements and searching for laptop, and then click on graphics. For example, you want to use the filter, like I only want to see the static animation or animated, you can use this filter. It will help you a lot. You can change the font style by clicking on the top left arrow icon and select the font style is that you like. You can give the shades or shadow to this font as well by clicking on the effects icon. I think lift shadow is looking good. You can increase or decrease the intensity as well. You can select the animate part and choose the animation as per your need or liking. There are 4 or 5 options available within the free version, and if you want to use multiple, then you can upgrade to Pro. Once you are done with all the settings and design part, you just click on download icon and download this in the video form. Let's click and play. This looks perfect because Pinterest also supports short videos. You can download this graphics, this design into the PNG version as well, because Pinterest also supports the static images. So whatever is your choice, you can download this as per your requirement. This looks perfect in the static image as well. You can use this style option and there are a lot of palettes are there. You can use the audio option as well. You can upload any image, video or audio you want to make your images customized. You can add the text as well. There are a lot of text styles are available. You can just drag and drop them on the image. That's all guys in this video, and I hope you like this tutorial. And if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned with me in the next video.